Hello to all my fellow master gardeners who live in the St. Louis area and those of you who just like watching gardening videos. Welcome back to RB's Garden channel. I had mentioned in my last video for master gardeners about our chapter closing. And if you have not seen that video, I will leave a card above on the screen and also in the description box that you can just click on and go and see that video first. And I have fantastic news for each and every one of you that are master gardeners here in the St. Louis area. I have been given permission to give this information to all master gardeners here in the St. Louis area. If you are not aware of this information, I am just passing it on because I have a YouTube channel. So we have been officially incorporated on Friday, March 13th, 2026. And as a group, we are called the Horticultural Society of St. Louis. This to me is the most exciting part. Holly Records will oversee our volunteers. She will coordinate our members and coordinate volunteers with our partners. For now, she will collect volunteer hours until we decide on the best volunteer hour reporting app for our needs. Holly will also work with agencies to provide volunteers similar to the beloved weekly emails she sent in the past. Holly will also send out in the weekly email all the continuing education possibilities from which you may choose. Holly will also be on board for our Speakers Bureau and also the St. Louis classes, the Horticultural Society classes. They will run from January through May. So if you're interested in those classes, there will be information about that as well. There is going to be a Horticultural Society of St. Louis get together on March 31st. That's on a Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m. So this is located at the Elks Club. The address is 12481 Ladue Road, Creve Coeur, Missouri, 63141. There will be light hors d'oeuvres, and the bar will open in case you'd like to buy a light refreshment or an adult beverage. The agenda is as such: 6 p.m. meet and greet. 6:30 PowerPoints begins. At 7 p.m. PowerPoint concludes. And then at 7 p.m. there will be questions and answers. If you'd like to stay for a cocktail after the meeting and visit with gardening friends, the Elk closes at 10 p.m. So this is just an opportunity to get together, see what's actually going on with the Horticulture Society of St. Louis. And again, that date is March 31st on a Tuesday night from 6 to 8:30 p.m. So if you have not heard of this and you are excited as I am, look forward to that get together. And I hope this video has been helpful. I will see you at the meeting.